Hold on, why isn't it turning off? The battery has already dropped below 15 volts. This is a 5S park, which means its cell is now under 3 volts. So why isn't it cutting off? If it keeps going this slow, it could damage the cells. This is a DC light bulb rated from 12 to 80 volts, and I'm powering it using a DeWalt battery pack. At the same time, I'm using a power meter to see how much power the bulb is actually drawing. Hey, still drawing current, voltage keeps dropping. Nothing is stopping it. Wait, does this battery not have a BMS to cut off during over-discharge? Let's open up this DeWalt pack and see what's inside. So I opened the battery and this is what I found. This little board, there's no protection here, nothing at all, so the battery is not protecting itself here. The protection comes from the tool or charger, so if you use it like this, nothing stops it from going too far. I test things like this all the time, so if you want to see what actually works, let's stick around. See you, bye bye.